Hi, this is Larrylison Masterclass. My name is Larrylison. Welcome back to our Chinese Master Course, Pinyin Lesson 6. Remember, in our previous video we discussed about the palatal initials. Let's quickly review them. The first one we have ch, ts, s, and we said that initials cannot stand alone, that they need finals for them to be sensible. So we add E to three of them. T, T, C. Beautiful. In this very episode, we are going to be looking into the 4 initials written on the board. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome back once again. The initials written on the board are known as the retroflex initials. Why do we call them the retroflex initials? It is because these are the sound we make with the tip of our tongue, called herb, touching the upper hard palate. So, but before we start pronouncing this sound, I would like you to note one thing before we start them. On the first sound written on the board, for we to get that sound correctly, the tip of your tongue must be curled up, touching the hard palate and then releasing a little airflow. Then the second one, while making the sound, the tip of your tongue must also curl up, touching the hard palate. Here it releases a very strong airflow. Then to the third one, here the tongue tip doesn't touch the hard palate, leaving a gap all along. The only difference from the third one to the fourth one is that the fourth one is pronounced with the vocal cords vibrating. The first one written on the board is pronounced as ch, ch, just like the GE sound in English language. Let's use the word cage. Cage. Ch. The GE sound in cage or in page. Ch. Cage. Ch. Then the second one is pronounced as ch. Remember, here there is always a strong airflow. Ch. Just like the CH word in English language. So, for example, cheap. Cheap in English language. Cheap. Ch. Cheap. Beautiful. Then the third one, shh. Shh. Just like the SH word in English language, it has that same sound with the SH word in English language, just like sheep in English language. Sheep in English language. Then the last one is sh. Sh. Just like the SION word of English language. Example, progression. Progression. The last SS word in progression. Sh. Progression. Let's practice together these initials. Repeat after me. Ch. Cage. Ch. Cage. The second one will have ch. Cheap. Ch. cheap. The third one will have sh, sheep, sh, sheep. And the last one, sh, progression, sh, progression. Beautiful. And you could remember, we said that initials cannot stand alone without the finals. So let's add E to 4 of them and see how they can be sensible. You personally can observe as we are making the sound ch, ch, sh, sh. It doesn't really make sense. So let's add the final E to 4 of them and see how someone can understand what we are saying. So watch out. The first one will have ch, G. Repeat after me. Ch, G, ch, G. The second one will have ch, chi, ch, chi, ch, chi. The third one will have sh, she, sh, she, sh, she. And the last one will have sh, she, sh, she, sh, she. Beautiful. So now let's practice some new vocabularies with this word. G. Repeat after me. G. Here, G means a major word. In Chinese language, there is what we call major word. Major words are used to combine numbers and objects. For example, in English language, 2 pairs of shoes. 2 pairs of shoes. So the pairs there is a major word. It have already combined the numbers of the shoes. 2 pairs of shoes. So in Chinese language, we have many major words we use for a particular object. So but here, 只 is a major word used in animals. Example, I can say 一只猫. 一只猫 meaning what? A cat. A cat. Or 一只狗. Look at the screen. 一只狗 meaning what? A dog. Beautiful. Let's learn another new word. 知道. Repeat after me. 知道. It means to know something, to know about something. So I can say 我知道 meaning what? I know. 我 means I. 知道 I know. Then the next part will have 吃. Repeat after me. 吃. Here, 吃 literally means to eat. So I can say 吃饭, eating food. 吃饭 to eat food. 吃 meaning to eat. 饭 means food. Then let's move to the next part. 十. Repeat after me. 十. What does that mean? It means 10. In Chinese, 10 is called 十. 时间. Repeat after me. 时间. 时间 literally means time. For example, if I want to say by what time, 什么时间 what time 什么时间什么 means what 时间 time. Beautiful. Then the next part 热热 meaning what hot. So if the place I am is very hot, I can as well say 这里很热热 beautiful. Then another popular word 人人 meaning what person 人 person. 认识认识 to know about person. 我认识你我认识你 I know you. Now let's quickly review back these new vocabularies and then round up. The first one will have 知知知道知道吃吃吃饭吃饭时时时间时间热热人人认识认识 Beautiful. This is all we have for you today. Take your time to practice these initials. The initials are very important in Chinese language. In our next video, we are going to be discussing about the last initials of Chinese language. Remember we said that we have 21 initials of Chinese language to discuss about. So, if this is your first time in our channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell to always get updates of our new video. Remember, the subscription is for free. Like, share, comment, ask any question concerning Chinese language, only Chinese studies. You will surely get reply. See you next time.